So, welcome to Islands on Deck 360 online workshop of the Islands area for this project. In this meeting, we will introduce the Islands on Deck 360 project, its partner, and the online portal for shipwrights that we are creating, and we hope you are going to give life, of course. The project is Erasmus Plus KA2 but cooperation partnership in vocational education training. It's composed by 5 partners in 4 different countries in 6 different maritime areas. And what we are having in this project is addressing digital transformation, contributing innovative shipwright and adapting into labor market needs. Of course, in this project, we have 5 partners, CETEM, Universidad de Murcia, CEIPES, Innovawood, and a University of Innovation and Learning Institute in Germany. The objectives of this project is to develop and implement innovative practices in vet learning and of traditional sector, in particular one of the oldest job position in Europe, the shipwrights. And of course, remunerating the shipwright workforce with 360 videos. This for attracting young learners, training them with practical clues, which are usually learned in workshop. This will be done with immersive learning using new appealing technology as video 360 with a real shipwrights. Then we have the goal of develop and implement innovative practices in vet learning and traditional sector, in particular one of the oldest job position in Europe, the shipwright, and increase the number of students in vet woodworking and boat carpentry, even transferring personals from related sectors. And of course, engage Europe connections and facilitate cooperation between professional and learners, of course, in different areas, with the objective of spread knowledge and increasing common projects and possibility for learners to move around Europe. And of course, then preserve practical knowledge and know-how of Europe shipwright. And facilitate the access to information irrespective of the learners, local and financial resources. Islands on Deck, we have the first results, that is the collaborative portal that is meant for creating a connection through different ideas, project apps, and with the learners and professionals around Europe. Of course, we thought that was good to divide in 3 main nodes that are shipwright learners, shipwright and shipyard, and shipwrights and shipwright. In each node, of course, it's possible to generate a forum, so people can have a general conversation or a specific forums of important topics. Of course, they can do questions and answer about some topic and sharing collaborative space and know this board with learning or professional opportunities. And one more thing is the possibility of sending and receiving message privately and to exchange ideas. So this is the QR code for getting inside of the portal. So please scan it and use it as a new tool for the communication through other stakeholders. So if you haven't done yet, please do it. And some more instruction for going inside of the platform. First of all, you will find our homepage. So in the description for each note, and of course you can register inside. So please click on and you can register in it. And after that, you will receive an email where you can active your account, and then you can describe your profile through the profile section. In fact, there is a notice contact where you can check your email and go and verify your profile. This is another, this is exactly what you are going to receive in your email. And please activate it. And then after it, you will receive the possibility to log in. So here is again the QR code picture for get inside of the portal. Put in your login and you are inside of the platform, and I will show you exactly what is inside. In fact, you are you're having 3 groups through the group sections, and these titles are for dividing the 3 categories. So please join in the one that you feel more into your profile. And of course, if you cannot join in it, please let me know and we will provide to you more information for it. And when you are inside of it, you will see the section that I was talking about. So the home of the title of the group, the forum, so where you can publish any content, documents, members, send invites and media. And then for each forum, you can actually write something and let the others know your opinion about it. And pictures, of course, you can publish any kind of document, but pictures are very important for this target. So just feel free to publish anything that is related to the topics. And of course, you are possibility to know what the most the most known new. So what is new in the collaborative portal, and just write it in it. Same thing for the others. You have docs, so documents that people can read about, and media. And then the most important thing probably for the students, so is to have more connection through the shipwrights or shipbuilding builders, designers, and any stakeholder that likes to be in contact with you. So feel free to get inside of one of each. So this group, the group shipwright shipyard, is done with the object of facilitating the relation between shipwright and shipyard in order to share, of course, the possible project work offers of exchange of students. And of course, in this group, it's possible to participate in the different forums about different topics, even, of course, create new ones to receive inputs from the others members. Similar is the shipwright, so just for who is already inside of this field. So just to exchange knowledge through this job. And then we have the notice board to share new opportunities and job offers. And finally, we are going to focus on the top of the collaborative portal, mostly with three important sections: activity, member, and map. In activity, you can actually check all the changes inside of the collaborative portal. So you can, in the members, you have the access, the username, and all the members of the collaborative portal, and you can send an invitation to the friends. And more important, you can send a private message if you want to ask some doubts or share something. Then we have the map, which is our digital map with different stakeholders in the boat building section. There are different organizations who play an important role in boat building in Wood, and they are shown with name and a brief description of the activity and website. Here in the map, you can get closer to the different points, of course. So just go in the section that you are interested more, and which is a stakeholder, and check where they are located, of course. And if you want to be part of this map, just let me know by mail me, and we will make sure to get in. Of course, just other future results. The multilingual terminology database will be developed. In fact, we will create an online portal platform, which will be complete soon, with more than 1,000 terms divided in thematic areas or subject in the marine areas, and translated into 5 languages that are the consortium languages: English, Spanish, German, Italian, and French. And then will be included also voice notes showing the correct pronunciation of the term and images of each one of them. User will be able to search for hood, for the word of looking in the thematic area and or marine areas, because the platform will be list entirely alphabetically. So we need, of course, a professional to give comments about this, that 1,000 terms. So once we will create it, will be good to have more feedbacks from you. And of course, the 360 virtual tours of shipyard from different marine areas. So we have a panoramic tour conceptual design document explaining the section of the process of the shipyard in five marine areas. So to be able to be more attracting for the students that will be involved in the education of the shipwright. And one informative accompanying document that will contain a clear description of the content, of course, and elements. And the development of a total 5 360 panoramic tours will be real shipyards from different marine areas, as I said, but will be also included some elements, types like photo, audios, and links. And we will need professionals to visit the record, so, and how they work, and explain, of course, their job. But let's have an overview about the marine areas that we are involving in this project. For example, the Atlantic arc, so all the very north part of Europe, and part in, like, of course, French and Ireland, Scotland, and many others. And then we have the Balkan and Black Sea part, the Baltic Sea as well, but with different countries. And then the North Sea, so the very north, with German, Dutch, and Belgium. And then, of course, the Intermediterranean, so Spanish, Spain, French, South, of course, Italy entirely, and Turkey. And then the islands, the ones that CEIPES is in charge, for example, the Canarian Island, Balearic, Corsica, Sardinia, Sicily, Greek Island, and Cyprus and Malta. So you can visit our website to better know more about the project. And of course, if you have question, feedback, please scan this QR code to give more your more imprint in this project. And thank you very, very much. So this is the first workshop that we are attending. We will have more, so feel free to be in touch with us, and we will let you know when will be the next one. Many thanks. We are done for today, except if you have more questions to ask, please, I will give you some second to let me know. If you want, you can also write something. Okay, so thank you very much to all. Hope to see you soon, and have a nice evening.